as the Mustangs have the sort of 10-minute tune-up, the same thing would apply to these TPI cars. And one of the little things that you could do is you put these little airfoils on. This goes right on the throttle body, and the idea is it just sort of smooths the airflow in there, you know. And they claimed, they made all kinds of claims as to what this would do. I predict about 50 horsepower between this and this air cleaner here, but I guess we're going to see.
50 horsepower.
The idea is we have to take the top cover off. And then this just sits right, theoretically, sits in there like that and just kind of smooths the flow in there. Okay. So I think now this drops down in this hole, right?
Yeah. Might be some wiggling required. 50 horsepower for this, huh?
At least. Well, that's what they claimed back in the day. Maybe not 50, but no, certainly they were talking about 10, I'm sure.
My car is a Corvette one. My kind of summary of the situation is that whatever it is, air straightener, what do they call it?
Yeah, that airfoil thing.
Airfoil did
worthless.
Nothing. Yeah. In fact,
initially
it looked like it was a 5 horsepower loss,
yeah.
But we think there was some thermal variances in those tests.
Yeah.
We retested it and we got no difference with the airfoil in and out, so
yeah,
that was
exactly.
a waste of time. The cone filter helped.
Yep.
Up top, and at the like 4,800 or 5,000 or wherever our top number was.
Gain there.
Yeah, it looked like we were getting as much as 10 horsepower up there. So over the stock air inlet, which, by the way, you had K&Ns in there too, right?
Yeah, there was K&Ns in
it's
the
pretty
stock thing, but
it's always another thing. Wow. Anyway, yeah, but I mean, the reason for that is because your air inlet's a restriction.
Right.
So that's, and the place.
I mean, if you want to show, like, just pick that up right there.
This is it. This thing's a horrible restriction.
Yeah, right in here where it goes under the hood, where it closes, is obviously it pinches down to a very, like right there. That's the worst port.
Yeah.
So you've got a major air restriction there.
For sure. And when you have an air restriction, it shows the most at higher RPM.
Right.
And that's where we got the gains from the filter, and those gains were totally repeatable, whatever else we did on it. So, hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos.